everybody, welcome to the long-going project, Trommel project. And I have been working on this trommel for almost 2 years now. So, well, I think I'm pretty done with the water system. So I have done the system for the chute and also in the drum. And I used 2-inch steel pipes that I have welded together and attached where I think it will work best. Like I usually say, it's a test and there will be adjustments, of course. And then I have used some polyethylene pipes and fittings to the manifold, or from the manifold out to the steel pipes. And this polyethylene pipes or polypipes is very resistant for sunlight, and it's about let's see, I think it's 10 millimeter wide. Wide, not wide, thick. So I think it's very good. So now it's just the holes that I'm gonna drill, and that's another issue. How many and how wide the holes must be drilled to get the proper washing. Well, that's a big question, but that's also a adjustment thing. So that's the thing I have to do next, to drill the holes. Then I will test the whole system with the pump and everything. I don't have the sluice yet, but I will do the sluice. It will be the last part I will do. So this is how it looks like now. Not the most beautiful trommel, but I'm glad if it works.